What's up, ladies and gentlemen? How is it going today? I have a project for the day. It is replacing the CVT belt, or drive belt, on my buddy's scooter. And I don't know how to do it. So I think we're just gonna wing it, see what happens. Just to note, this scooter has 6,871 and a half miles. And I don't think this belt's ever been replaced. Well, that was incredibly easy for the belt replacement. I should probably change the oil. Hasn't been changed since I've had it. I've had it about a year, and the previous owner, I don't remember when they changed it, but I won't do that today, but it's definitely something for the future. Small projects, remember, like I said in the last video. I did check it, and it checked out fine, the oil level, and it looks clean. 5 minutes, and most of that time was finding the tool. I can't ride it till this afternoon, so we'll see if it works then. I would assume it would. I didn't do anything different. Took the belt off, put the new one on. It says it was the right belt. And this was a Gates PL20707 is what they call for this, according to O'Reilly's website. O'Reilly. There is also a PL30707. That was unavailable. This one was available, so that's the one I got. It also shows that the Buddy 125, 150, and 170i all use the same belt, which seems to be the case. This thing's actually been really fun. I didn't think I was going to like it as much as I do. I've actually been riding it to work every morning and every afternoon. I'm trying to sell my Audi, so I won't have a car except for my truck. I won't have a car, so this is going to be my mode of transportation for the foreseeable future. I am looking at getting an F-150 so I can have four-wheel drive, so I can go up to the mountains. And once I sell my Audi, I think I'll do that. But I think just to save on gas, it's going to be nice, you know, for summertime. I think I'll stick with the scooter for now and save the F-150 for, you know, going out shooting or, you know, off-road adventures. Not off-road adventures, but off-highway adventures. That's the words I was looking for. I'm sure there's a few upgrades we can do to this thing. There's nothing that needs to be done right now. It looks like it was green at one point, and they spray painted it black, the previous owner. Possibly. I'm not really sure. But I like it, and I'm going to be riding it. That's going to be it for today's video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing. And I'll see you in the next one.